Hello friends, day 83 and I'm now heading southbound. I left John O'Groats this morning a little bit later than intended, but not a problem because the route's been fairly easy today. I don't know if that's because I'd already done most of what I did today in the other direction yesterday, but oh boy, what a difference a day makes. Yesterday the rain was pelting down, I was nearly getting blown off the cliff. Today it's been a little breezy but lovely, by comparison gorgeous, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow, so see you on the trail. This is a recreation of one of the stone walls that I've seen in this area. A local told me it was Caithness stone. And this is the slipway that they're going to launch the gas pipe down. What a beautiful view. This is my room with a view tonight, a seaside view. Look at that, gorgeous, isn't it?